Good morning all of you. Myself Sandeep Parashar and I am welcoming you online classes computer class 9th class. 9th class we are reading electronic spreadsheet unit number 4. In this we already completed some sessions. Now I am going to start my another session number 3, formatting data in a spreadsheet. How to format data in a spreadsheet? Spreadsheet is commonly used to perform calculation and analyzes data in an efficient manner. We have learned various features of a spreadsheet in the previous chapter. In this chapter, we are going to discuss various formatting feature of MS Excel 2010. Formatting worksheet. How to format a worksheet? If we want to format a worksheet, it is give us some various options like font size, style, color, border, etc. The Home tab provides common text formatting tools that we can use to make changes in the appearances. To apply formatting, first we need to select the appropriate cell or range of cell and then click on the corresponding tools available in the font group of the Home tab. Common formatting tools. What happened? Font size, font style, color, alignment, etc. In this, we are going to work on dialog box to format values. Apart from formatting text, we can make changes in the format of values using the format cell dialog box. Format cell dialog box has various steps such as number, alignment, font, border, fill and protection. To open the format cell dialog box, click on the dialog box launcher in the number group. To format cell dialog box, open with the number. Let us learn the use of the dialog box to make changes in the format of data. Formatting a range of cell with decimal places. Formatting a range of cell means decimal places means after decimal how many numbers you want to show in your spreadsheet 2, 3, 4, 1. So we can make it some changes and how you want to represent your data in negative manner or in positive manner. Number election can be presented in the different format. By default, numbers are expressed in general format, which allow us to display number with as many decimal digits as required. It is important to note that changing the format of numbers only modify its appearances but not the actual cell value. Also, the result of performing calculation will remain the same. How to perform it? Select the cell or range of cell to be formatted. In Excel, if you want to make it some changes, you need to select your cell. After that, click on the Format tab on the cell group from the Home tab. After that, we have number format option and we can click on this. After that, it will open this type of format cell. In this, we had given decimal places 2. So if we have any number with decimal values, it will show only 2 digits after decimal. This is working on decimal number. Formatting a range of cell as labels. In our computer, some numbers are not numbers. They are not used in calculations like phone numbers, roll numbers, pin code. So this is not counting in a normal number. So we can give them in a labels. To format numeric data as text, we count them as a text. Select the cell of range to be formatted as label. Right click on it and select the format cell option. The format cell dialog box open. Click on the number tab, select text under the category section, click OK. Next, formatting a range of cell as scientific. Sometimes we have some numbers, so we need to convert our number in a scientific manner. How we do it? The scientific format, also referred to as the standard or standard index form, is a compact way to display very large or very small numbers. It is commonly used by mathematicians, engineers and scientists. When using the scientist format, In Excel, the only option that we can set is the number of decimal places. For example, instead of writing 0.00000014, we can write 1.4 into 10 की power minus 9. If you use scientific notation format to the cell containing, the number will be displayed as 1.4 e minus 09. To format the range in scientific format, follow the given step. Select the specific range. After that, click on the format cell. After that, we need to give them scientific number and then OK. Formatting a range of cell as date and time. Sometimes we want to give our numbers in date and time. So we just work as same like this. We just select our range. After that, we click on format. After that, number represent as a date. So we click on the date category. After that, this is the format of representing date. Sometimes our number will come in the time format. So this is the same format. We just select the range. After that, click on the format. There is number. In number, we have time option. So we can do it. This is some working on the numbers. Thank you. Stay at home. Stay safe.